Hey everybody, welcome back to episode 12 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect, ambition, tenacity, trustworthiness, loyalty, and empathy. I'm Miss Burns, and I am ready for today. Okay guys, so first let's answer the riddle from yesterday. Yesterday's riddle was, what is a question that you can never answer yes to? And the answer is, that was a really bad drum roll. That's okay. The answer is, are you asleep yet? Because if you're actually asleep, you can't answer because you didn't hear it. That is a fun one. All right, now our new riddle for today. I was just glancing over because I was going to read it because I forget what I picked out. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh, okay. This is a fun one too. Where can you find cities, towns, restaurants, streets, shops, but no people? Where can you find cities, towns, restaurants, streets, but no people? Think about that one for tomorrow. And now it's time for our chrysalis check-in. You like how I switched it up a little? Made it be chrysalis check-in. Okay, so our chrysalids are not, they haven't changed. And they're probably going to stay the same for about a week. But I'm going to bring this whole thing over so you can look in our tent and see. We've got the one on the ground down here, and then the 4 hanging from the lid. They haven't really moved much, they haven't done anything, but they're shiny and pretty. So we'll see if they start to change at all over the next 7 days. Okay, so that's that. I'm really excited about our craft today. Oh, before we get to our craft, we have to do our science project. Our science project from yesterday was a total fail. Oh well, live and learn, right? That's what happens. It's part of science. So we learned that when we mixed the baking soda into the water and saturated the water and put the yarn in, nothing happened at all. I can show you guys that nothing happened at all. I think that the reason is that I didn't heat the water. Now, for what I saw, you didn't have to heat the water, but I think that if we had heated it, we would have seen maybe some sort of results because we would have been able to actually saturate the water, dissolve the baking soda into the water, but we couldn't, and so it is just a piece of yarn going from one cup to another with water in it. Oh well, right? So, today's experiment, we are going to use our pennies. Remember these pennies that we turned green? We used, we used some vinegar and we made them turn green, and now they look like a whole bunch of nasty old pennies. You see that? So today, what we're going to do is see if we can shine them up. Now, it was a chemical reaction that made them turn green, and so we have to use something else to make them shiny again. So we're going to try using lemon juice. So all you need for this experiment is your nasty old pennies, or your nasty new pennies, some lemon juice, a bowl so that you don't make a big mess, and some paper towels. So if you need to freeze, pause this video, get permission from a grown-up to get those things, you can try and join us. And I'm going to angle the camera back down so you can watch what I do. So I'm just going to put these pennies in this bowl, and I'm going to squirt some of the lemon juice right on them. And then I'm going to pick one up. It's been, it's in there. They're all kind of covered in that lemon juice. And I'm going to see what happens if this works when I rub it off. See if I can rub the green off. I can. Look at the paper towels instantly dirty. Instantly. I'm just cleaning a penny with lemon juice, so my hands are going to smell very citrusy after this. Shining my penny up. Getting it shiny. Shiny and bright. I'm going to put that one back in there, let it soak for a minute. I'm going to pick up one of these other ones that have been soaking. This one is my darkest one. Let's see what happens. Oh yeah, look at that. You see that nastiness coming off of it? It's like the paper towel is black from touching that penny. So I'm just shining it up. Shining it up. Shining it up. I'll let that one go back in there and soak a little bit too. Oh, this one, the green just kind of came right off in the lemon juice. And I'm wiping it, and it's, oh, and that's actually like a brown color on my paper towel. So, that's interesting. So, it does work. The acid in the lemon juice will take that dirty stuff right off your pennies. Shine them up. So, I'm going to let those sit for a little bit, and then later on, oh, this one is totally ready. All better. Clean and shiny. That's all. So I flipped over my old napkin, and I'm just going to put my pennies on there as I go. I'm going to let the others soak for a little while. Oh my gosh, guys. Just letting them soak, they're like all clean. I didn't even have to rub them. This one, oh, this one is clean. And this one is clean. You guys won't get that joke, but this one is wet. This one is wet. What did we dry these pennies in the rainforest? They're all already clean. I didn't even have to do any rubbing. Look at that. Kind of cool, guys. We should have left a couple so that we could see the difference, the before and after. But you saw it here, folks. The citric acid cleaned those pennies right up. They're so shiny that you can almost not see them in the light. Alright, I'm going to move you back up so you can see my face. Hi! So exciting. Okay, so let's set that aside. What a fun, easy way to clean pennies. Okay, so now for our really fun craft. I just realized that I forgot something, but that's okay, because you guys will still be able to see the whole entire craft. Excuse me, from start to finish. So, it's fine. It's fine. Really. Alright, here we go. What you will need: salt, just regular table salt, cups or bowls, sidewalk chalk, or any kind of colored chalk, some Ziploc bags, and a funnel, which is, I have to run and grab it. You guys will have to watch me grab it. And a container to put your stuff in at the end. I'm going to use this little guy because I didn't have anything else for now. So, that's what I'm going to use, I hope. We'll see what happens. So let me just grab, you can follow me while I go over here and see my backpack. My funnel is in here. Woo, got the funnel! That was fun. Oh, this tripod is so handy, guys. Alright, so I'm going to let you look at the materials here. Salt, chalk, cups or bowls, you could use a water bottle, you could use an old glass Coke bottle, whatever you want. Something with a lid, preferably, for most people. A funnel, and some plastic baggies. Now what we are doing is we are going to create colored sand. It's really going to be colored salt. So I have here, I've made a few already, pink, orange, yellow, green, and blue. And you can make as many or as few as you want, of course. So I'm going to set these aside to use later in our final project. And I'm going to show you how I did this. Now it's really, really easy, like easier than I thought it was going to be. It's so fun. You take a baggie, and in your bag you will pour some salt. The amount of salt you want. It could be, if you want to make a big thing, you want to put a lot of salt in. I'm just filling this teeny tiny little thing, so I didn't make much salt. Or, actually I have a water bottle over here, maybe I'll use that instead so you can see better. Alright, so I'm going to pour some salt in for my last color. Pour some salt in the bag. Pick your color. So I'm doing a rainbow, so what color do I need? I have, pink is going to represent red, orange, yellow, green, blue. What comes next? Purple. You're right. So smart. So I'm going to find a piece of purple chalk, and I'm going to drop the purple chalk in there. And I'm literally just going to rub it. I'm rubbing the salt on the chalk, and it's starting to change the salt. Why do you think it's working? Why do you think that the salt is turning purple as I rub it on the white chalk? I mean, the purple chalk. The white salt on the purple chalk. Doing that. See how it's changing colors? Why is that happening? You're right. Salt is rough. It's abrasive, right? If you've ever felt salt, it's grainy. It's like sand. And sand can scratch. And what it's doing is it's scratching the color off of the chalk. So the color is off of the chalk now and on the sand. It's dyeing the sand the color that we want it. And you can do this with however many colors you want. So much fun. Okay, now I'm just going to take my chalk out, put it back in my box. Maybe. No, it's good enough for now. And I'm going to pour this sand or salt into my cup. Try not to make a mess. If you're using bowls, it'll be easier to not make a mess. You can use the same bag for all the colors. I used the same bag for all of these colors. And as you can see, it didn't affect any of the colors. So now I have all the colors of the rainbow right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to grab this water bottle. Nope, I can't use that water bottle because it has water in it. So I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to hold my little tube, little test tube, and I put my funnel on top, and I take my color that I want, and I pour it in. There we go. I've got a little bit of pink in there. I don't need to take the funnel out. What am I doing? I'm going to switch. I'm going to do a little bit of orange. I'm going to do a little bit of yellow. Some green. Some blue. And some purple. Uh-oh. The purple got kind of stuck, but it's all in there. Oh my gosh, look, I put way too much purple in. I'm pouring it back into the container it came from. And there you have it, guys. Look at my colorful sand test tube. I love it. That was so much fun, guys, and so easy. I'm really excited about this project, and I hope you guys post pictures of bottles full of this stuff. It's really cool. I might make one in a bottle later since I do have plenty of sand left or salt. And now I'm stuck holding this because I don't really have a place to put it now. So I'm going to hold it while I finish up this video. And I do have to say, I'm really pumped about this sand art. So, sand art, Super easy. Now you can do it at home, and you don't need sand. Okay, awesome. So it's been fun today, guys. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook. Please send me messages. Oh, it's Spirit Week. I forgot. I'm going to have to post a separate video of my little book review for today. You can email me pictures of all the things that you're doing, videos, whatever you want, at rburns, R-B-U-R-N-S, at kusd.org. You can find us on Facebook at fb.me/rattletogether, R-A-T-T-L-E, to get her, T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Or you can message me on Facebook at m.me/rattletogether, R-A-T-T-L-E-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, period. Don't know why, but you need that period. If you go to the Facebook page, though, you can also just click the message thing and message me. All right. Hoping that you guys are all happy and healthy and safe. I miss you so much. I love you. Mwah.